Yeah, sick up, Thobela, listen, sick up, I. Osmomondia, pretty lady looking fresh like a star. Bizo lami Noluthando, kunika uthando wena Thobela Noluthando lokho thando dinga uthando lwakho njalo uthando lwakho lamphilisa qala ngibone ngahle ngakholwa ngabonga umfihlakalo kuhle bakhe brand new like an African queen Gondo zakhe is very wise ngikhumbuza Solomon pretty lady in the world ngiyamthanda Thobela
noma nginamali ngiyamthanda ke njalo
Sick up, sawubona hello Thobela umakakase muhle njengelanga liphuma ngathi ugeza ngokhakho She's the best in the world, she's the one of a kind ngeze ngikhuphula ama-socks bhekane nenkinga zami thando lwakhe flowa njenge-river luhle lashele phelele uNkulunkulu wathatha isikhathi sakhe mdala uNthobela funa ukuba laye kuze kube nini ukhuthele sibana suku sonke njalo uhlanzekile royalty man she's full of respect honesty she is full of sweet love she is good more than good times two uthi sihlale sifokasile ngoba umhlaba ukhohlakele moya wami udinga wena ngithanda wena Thobela moya wami ukhoza uthando lwakho luhle Thobela thanda indlela ojeva ngayo kuze kuqhamuke no-two khanda lami ugcwele uThobela ngiyamthanda Thobela
noma nginamali ngiyamthanda ke njalo ngiyamthanda Thobela noma nginamali ngiyamthanda ke njalo
Look at samba on the marathon pace Look at food impilo suku zonke singoba siyavuka Kaze ngithanda umuntu so thando lwakho luthembekile khaya lami lisathokoza mabe mbona uThobela Ngondo zakhe zikho very wise Solomon Bathi ngiphathe like a top queen she's a blessing Duke dlikanyo lwakude lami ngimthethe esizweni Mangilaye amacebo kwakhe kusasa vela kokhulu Uthi kumele save imali sicabangele kusasa lethu Uthi kumele siconcentrate singadlalisi amathuba Uthi kumele sikhule sonke siyakhumuza uwethu mkhulu Uthi kumele Segitango like my chest natural She's the creed of my soul She put the crown in my heart She's my everything Like I don't need anything She's my beautiful day I call her beautiful queen I thank the Lord
ngiyamthanda Thobela noma ngina